So guys, it's the ohboys. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
Yay!
And also use our star code because it supports our channel.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone. Hi Rowan. Hi everyone.
So today the old boys are gonna make a volcano eruption. Today, here's the box.
Yeah, it's for an 8+, but it's okay. It's for me.
We're gonna see how it goes. It comes with some rocks.
Yay.
I already pre-mixed the pallets together already. Number A and B together.
See?
And here's the family's artwork that Brandon did.
Hi!
What
What are you doing? I love you.
We got the cup of water here.
Look like millions
So now we're gonna see.
millions
We're gonna add
Okay.
1 tablespoon, if I can get it.
I'm so scared. Me too.
The volcano we got. That's not one, that's a lot.
There's 1 tablespoon there.
I am so scared. I'm so scared.
Boom.
Ready?
Pour it in there.
We need water, remember?
Yeah, we have water.
Making a big old mess,
Dad.
which is okay.
Oh,
All right.
okay.
And it says to gradually
Cut.
pour water. Watch out, baby. Get back.
Cut.
Everyone get back.
Okay, get
back.
Cut.
Here we go.
Cut.
Ready?
Yeah. It gets a big.
There we go. Look.
That looks cool.
That looks cool.
Add more water.
Look at the what is it called? Rock.
You can hear it sizzling.
It's probably.
Dad, put more water.
Some more water.
Yeah.
All right.
Mine.
It's all sizzling.
Mine. I want
Like flickered and my eyes went pitch black.
Let's see.
Oh my god!
Let's see.
Let's make the rocks melt. Touch the red stuff.
Hold on. Let me get the paper napkin just in case.
It doesn't burn like that.
Got it.
I'm not in my butt. I'm not in my butt. Dad, the lava doesn't burn.
No.
Yeah, I'm rubbing my butt.
I'm just checking.
Oh. So the little one melts faster.
Get this off.
Get some towel.
Love it.
What do you think, guys? Was it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yes, we had some
I
more.
want more.
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Siren head. Oh, look it. It started to go black.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa, that's getting gay.
Whoa.
It looks like lava coming down.
Yeah.
Why is it going from this way?
Be careful, because you can stain your fingers, so it's going to look red. Pretty cool.
I popped the bubble.
That's cool.
Can we add more water?
Hold on, make some more.
I just got out my police car.
Oh, it didn't melt.
Whoa.
No, don't add.
No, what do you do that for?
Oh! Coming out.
Let's just see the what. Mom, come look at the volcano eruption.
Hope it doesn't go through.
Look it.
Wow, cool.
I missed it all. I got it out. The eruption.
Yep.
What do you think is in this?
I wonder what's in there.
I want to get my water.
Just a little bit, okay?
Watch.
This is good.
be so fun. Don't worry. This is gonna be so fun.
Okay.
Come on.
Ready?
Ready? No. Oh goodness.
Little by little.
It's I want to do it. I can feel it's getting everywhere. This is so cool. It got me again.
Be careful, man, because your fingers will be red, dude.
Nothing yet. Don't worry.
It'll be cool, though. Leave it alone, guys. Leave
Wait,
it alone.
it's going down the path it goes in millions and millions and millions of years ago. Hi, guys. Whoa. Can I do it?
Oh, sorry.
What do you guys think? Was it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Here's the volcano. We're going to do an experiment for the kids.
Yep, we did the experiment.
All right. You want to say anything to everyone out there?
Bye. Bye.
We'll see you later.
We